Okay, so here is a review I mentioned in another video I would do of the Chicago Electric rotary tool. So I'm not worried about the unboxing thing, but I want you to show you what it kind of comes with there. The main thing I want to tell you here is it comes with a wrench, which I probably already tossed or chunked somewhere, you can't find it. Here we go. It comes with a little wrench, is the main thing. 1/8" shanks, but the little blades that they give you, which are, the one thing I kind of liked was this wire wheel. This is not the one. They give you one or two of these in it. If you don't run this thing on a fairly low RPM, all it's going to do is sling those little metal pieces everywhere. Went through those really quick. Then I went and bought off of Amazon. This thing's about 60 something, these variety here. These hold up a little bit better even at the lower RPMs. And again, you can see I got it set like on 2. I think I ran it at 3 before. And they hold up pretty well. These hold up pretty well. Very happy with it. Doesn't make a lot of racket. Easy to handle. I've used it a lot. I've cleaned off a lot of this stuff. Of course, I didn't do everything here using those wheels, but I got into detail on a lot of this stuff. Got into detail around these letters on these items and in these grooves and things where you can use them at. So I really have put it to use pretty well. The other thing I bought off Amazon is this little set of carbide bits, and they're little cheapies, and it runs them really well to help clean up some welds and things in small corners. But I think it was $24. It was really worth it. I saw a review where they reviewed this one, a $40 Amazon and a Dremel. And this one was extremely competitive. Probably didn't do the best in some categories, but overall for the money, they said you really couldn't beat it. I agree. Again, I don't know the quality of these products here because I really don't use this type of stuff that often. But these off of Amazon work pretty good. The main thing, you got to run at a low RPM. And of course, that's probably true no matter which type of bit you use. You probably have to vary your RPM based upon the type of work you're doing. But anyway, hope this helps you guys a little bit. It was well worth it. Don't be afraid of wasting your money on it for this type of work that I've been doing anyway. So hope this helps you out. Have a great day.